Hello. I wanted to show you my technique for gua sha around the mouth to help with lifting the corners of the mouth, also reducing the lines above the lip. Here is an oil I love. This is one of our favorites. I used this in my last video. This has some plant stem cells and vitamin C. Very light, but you can use rosehip oil or you can also use jojoba. Those are wonderful. Just anything that gives you some slip. Put it liberally in the area that you're treating. Here's my gua sha tool that I'm going to use today. Muscles are striated, so you can go out, then up, and they will respond to both directions, but only one direction at a time. So if you're working around the mouth, start here, and you're going to stretch your orbicularis oris muscle out. I do about 10 passes, and then you can go up, and you can kind of feel this muscle fighting you. Just age wants to kind of pull that muscle down. We lose elasticity and collagen, and we get what's called trout mouth. Or you could be genetically born with it, which I was. So I have been fighting it forever. So you can stretch this up, and over time you will notice it will start to kind of even your mouth out if you make this a routine. Above your lip, we are prone to getting fine lines, can be from environmental, sun damage, smoking, water bottle drinking, straws, anything that can create those little lines. Take your gua sha, and it'll sound kind of crunchy, and you're breaking that fascia up and creating collagen and elasticity in those lines that have lost it. It's also good for plumping your lips. This I will go back and forth on a lip. Then your other side, you're going to do the same thing, passive 10. And then you're going to lift up. And you will find one side is tighter than the other. Could be a number of reasons why that is. I'll be honest, I'm not quite sure. And the same with the upper lip. Chin chin. You're kind of holding just so you're stretching your skin. I would make this a daily habit, maybe like 1.5 to 2 minutes, and over a few weeks of time, you will see a significant difference in your skin and your mouth area.